Good morning! Happy birthday, Ma'am Ellie! Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa akin ever since nag-start ako maging nurse. Siguro hindi ako makakarating sa lahat ng natamo ko sa buhay, kung anong meron ako without your guidance, tsaka teachings mo. Kahit family problems ko, alam na alam mo, Ma'am. And with that, para ka nang talagang ina sa akin. Kaya hindi ko makakalimutan yung mga turo mo sa akin ever since. And I know na ngayon, birthday mo, maraming nurses ang nagpapasalamat sa iba't ibang sulok ng Pilipinas at sa iba't ibang sulok ng mundo dahil marami ka rin natulungan sa amin. And with that, I really thank you, and naging part ka ng buhay ko na napakalaki. And nawa ingatan ka ng Diyos sa pang-araw-araw. At alam ko, ngayon at sa mga susunod pa, marami ka pa rin tutulungan ng mga nurses na katulad ko. I love you and I miss you. Happy birthday!
Ma'am Ellie, happy birthday po!
Ellie, nice to see you. Sana, magkita-kita tayo at yung mga retiree. Masarap palang mahirap ang buhay ng retiree, ma'am. No? Buti ka, may pinagkakaabalahan ka dyan, yung mga plantita mo. So, ako naman, nag-start ako na magtanim-tanim ng kaunti-kaunti. Sa, ang tawag dito, ma'am, happy birthday po sa inyo. Kayo po ang isa sa aking mentor. Bakit ko dinarating ito aking kinalalagyan? Kasi kayo po yung isa sa nagpupush sa akin para po ako ay mag-aral ng masteral. Happy birthday, ma'am!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Ma'am Ellie! Wow, it's your 70th! I wish you more birthdays to celebrate and more happy times with your family and good health. Enjoy!
Hi, Ninang Ellie! Happy 70th birthday po sa inyo. Sayang, nataon na pandemic pa din yung 70th birthday nyo. Anyway, mag-enjoy po kayo with your family and stay safe and God bless you always with good health. Miss na miss ko na po kayo and enjoy!
Hi, Tita Ellie! Happy 70th birthday sa'yo. I'm wishing you good health and always stay safe. And syempre, happiness para sa'yo. And hope to see you soon. Nakakamiss po na pumunta dyan sa inyo. Namimiss ko na rin po kayo. Sana after the pandemic, kita-kita tayo ulit. Makadalaw po ako dyan. And thank you very much po for everything sa pag-kup-kup niyo sa akin minsan dyan sa inyo. And ayun po, maraming salamat and enjoy po your birthday. Love you!
Hello Mariko, good evening. Alam ko bukas birthday mo. Happy birthday. Many more birthdays to come. Good health. Ingat ka palagi. Sana madalaw din kita minsan. Kaya lang talagang busy ako talaga, Mariko. Hindi ko ay madalaw ni Maring Marlene. Pero one time, bibisita ako sa inyo. Again, happy birthday. I love you, Mariko. Chup-chup.
Happy birthday, Mare.
Hi, Mare! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Nina!
Ay! Naway masaya ka ngayon sa araw na ito. At naway mahaba pa ang maging buhay mo. At kapiling ang mga mahal mo sa buhay. Enjoy!
God bless!
God bless you and we love you.
Keep safe, Ninang! We love you!
Hello, Ate Ellie, happy birthday! Birthday mo pala ngayon, ha? Kaya binabati ka namin ng happy birthday. God bless you. Enjoy na lang tayo ngayon kasi mga seniors na tayo. So, happy birthday. And more birthdays kaunting panahon natin na natira ay i-enjoy na lang natin sa life natin. So, serve the church. So, happy birthday. Labis ka naman ang mga anak mo, mga apo mo, at mga friends mo. So, nothing to worry. Just thank the Lord na binigyan tayo ng mga. So, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Hi ate, it's your day today. Happy birthday. Today is a special day. A beautiful, kind, caring, best friend. Bless the Lord. Count yung blessings mo ate. Grant you more
Hi Lola Ellie, happy birthday! I hope you have the best day today. Take care always and I hope to see you soon.
Hello, kumare. Happy birthday. Wish ko and prayer also na palagi kang maging malakas at masaya, lalo na sa mga bata. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal mo kay Janet, at tinuring mo din kaming pamilya mo. Just enjoy your celebration and see you soon. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate El. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Ellie. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Tita Ellie. We're so blessed to have you as part of our family. May your day be filled with everything you love. I hope all your wishes come true in the year ahead. Happy birthday, Tita. Many more years to come and good health. God bless. We love you. Bye.
Hello po tita, happy birthday tita. Stay healthy tita, keep safe po.
May God bless you more tita. See you soon.
See you soon tita, pasensya po hindi kami makakapunta.
strong always. We miss you. See you soon. Hello ate. Happy birthday.
Happy 70th birthday. Sana maabot mo ang 100 years. Wala si Elmo siguro pilitin natin na mag-wish. Kasi busy ate sa mga lakad niya. My wish is your good health. Sana magkikita pa tayo soon, sa Sunes. Tapos na itong COVID na to. Happy birthday ate. Wish you all the best. Love you.
Hi auntie, kumusta? Hope everything's okay. Reaching the age of 70 is a milestone that only few people can reach in life. You are indeed blessed by our Almighty God. On your special day, we wish you to have more years to celebrate with your children, apos, and loved ones, and live a healthy, happy, and fantastic life. Happy birthday, auntie.
Happy birthday, auntie.
Happy 70th birthday.
See you. Happy birthday, Ate Ellie.
Hello, Mr. Farjan. Ate Ellie. Happy 70th birthday. I wish you good health and more blessings. Stay safe. God bless you. Bye. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie. God bless you.
We miss you. We love you. Mama, chup chup.
Happy birthday, Mommy Ellie. Many more birthdays to come. Keep safe. I miss you. I hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Mommy!
Happy birthday, Auntie. Wish you good health always.
More birthdays to come, Mommy. Hope to see you soon. God bless you and your family.
Share ko lang para malaman din nila. Kasi isa ka sa naging rason o instrumento kaya ako nakapagtapos sa aking pag-aaral. So, thank you very much, Auntie. Salamat ng marami. We love you.
Love you, Mommy.
Ellie, happy birthday. Sana'y nasa mabuti kang kalagayan at malakas ka, mabuti ka na mag-alaga sa mga apo mo. Kanayin mo ay kagararag ka ni apo na nakarasyan sa ikain, pada-pada, kabagis. At nagtumanin, nagtumanin, kahit may pagpapalitin ka, may tuloy.
Mama, happy birthday, and I wish really so much that I can tell all these words next time already in the Philippines. Happy birthday, and I miss all of you.